Good morning. This is your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. Seeing sunny skies this morning, and after some comfortable temperatures this morning, we'll see a seasonably warm day ahead. Although we will see quiet conditions, expecting dry weather to prevail or continue to prevail as we move through the day today, and we'll see some increased heat and humidity, becoming quite hot and humid as we move into the coming days. Taking a look at the current surface analysis, high pressure and control over the local area, that's helping to keep those conditions quiet and dry as we move through the next couple of days, and we'll see that allow the heat to build in as well. Looking at our current conditions, we're seeing clear skies out there, winds calm to light and variable, temperature 73 degrees, relative humidity is at 87%. And as we look at our current visible satellite, we can see those clear skies across much of the region this morning, with some temperatures down in the 60s earlier this morning. Take a look at the high resolution model for how we expect things to play out for the next couple days. As mentioned, dry and quiet as we move through our day today with mostly sunny skies, and we'll see again seasonally warm temperatures. And as we go into the overnight, we will start to see things return to more hot, humid conditions, not quite as low as we go into the overnight hours, and we'll see those winds shifting southwesterly, and that's going to start to funnel in some of that warmer and moister air as we move into the day on Wednesday, likely seeing these heat index values getting up above 100, so a good chance of seeing a heat advisory for our Wednesday. But it does look like we'll continue to see dry conditions through the day on Wednesday with partly cloudy skies, and we'll continue muggy as we go overnight into the day on Thursday, and Thursday will be another hot and humid day with heat index values likely a smidge higher than what we'll see on Wednesday, so a good chance of seeing a wind advisory for our Thursday as well, with a continued couple days of some hot, humid, and dry conditions coming ahead. So looking at the 24-hour weather risk chart for today, we do have green conditions expected through the next 24 hours. We'll see our high temperature peaking around 87 degrees this afternoon, with just a few clouds around. Overall, we'll see mostly sunny conditions. Winds will start to pick up slightly out of the south-southeast and eventually become southerly as we see 8 to 13 knots, with peak gusts up around 18 knots for the mid to later portion of the afternoon. We'll see that wind settle down some as we go into the evening time frame, becoming southwesterly through the overnight hours, and again going to keep those temperatures a bit milder, with a low expected around 72 degrees with mostly clear skies through the overnight time frame. We'll start to see that wind picking up at the start of the day on Wednesday out of the west-southwest, again helping to funnel some of that warmer air into the area. Tides are running normal at this time, and for Wednesday, as mentioned, mostly sunny to partly cloudy, high around 96 degrees. Looking at green conditions for our weather risk, with the exception of that heat advisory potential, as we do expect heat index values 98 to 103. Continue muggy overnight Wednesday, partly cloudy skies, a low expected around 77 degrees. And Thursday, partly cloudy with heat index values 100 to 105, with actual high temperature of 96 degrees. That's going to wrap up the 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. Take a look at the extended forecast. Enjoy your morning.